Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore the timeless charm of vintage cupboards and discover how they can bring warmth, character, and nostalgic beauty into your home. Whether you love vintage, cottage, farmhouse, or English country style, a beautifully styled cupboard can become both a practical storage solution and a stunning focal point. So let's explore some beautiful ideas and simple tips for decorating with a vintage cupboard. A vintage cupboard is a storage cabinet designed or styled to have an old-fashioned, classic, and nostalgic appearance. It can be an authentic older piece or a newly made cupboard designed to look antique. Key features of a vintage cupboard: wooden construction, often made from wood with visible grain or an edged finish. Classic detailing, curved edged decorative moldings, turned legs, or traditional handles. Edged finishes, distressed, verted, weathered, or slightly owned surfaces. Use vintage colors like cream, muted cream, soft blue, brown, white, or natural wood tones. Glass doors. Many vintage cupboards have glass panels for displaying dishes, books, or decorative objects. Use antique style hutchware like brass, bronze, iron, or ceramic knobs and handles. Practical storage useful for dishes, linens, books, kitchenware, clothing, or decorative pieces. A vintage cupboard works especially well with cottage, farmhouse, English country, Shabby, chic, and vintage-inspired home decor. It can become both a functional storage piece and a beautiful focal point in a room. Tips for decorating with a vintage cupboard. First, choose a timeless color like cream, soft white, muted cream, dusty blue, or natural wood can create a classical vintage feel. Look for glass door. Glass front cupboards are perfect for displaying beautiful dishes, books, pottery, or collectibles. Mix open and closed storage. Keep everyday or less decorative items behind solid doors and display special pieces behind glass. Use vintage-style hardware like brass, bronze, ceramic, or iron knobs can instantly enhance the cupboard's character. Add subtle distressing. A gently owned finish can give a newer cupboard an authentic vintage appearance without making it look overly aged. Style the top. Place a small vase, framed artwork, oven baskets, vintage clocks, or a few decorative pieces on top. Create a balanced display. Arrange objects at different heights rather than lining everything up at the same level. Mix old and new. Combine the vintage cupboard with simple modern accessories to keep the room from feeling dated. Use it in different rooms. A vintage cupboard can work beautifully in a kitchen, dining room, bedroom, living room, hallway, or home office. Keep the surrounding area simple. Let the cupboard be the focal point by avoiding too many competing decorations nearby. Add natural elements, small plants, dried flowers, wicker baskets, or wooden accessories complement vintage furniture beautifully. Choose pieces with character. Small imperfections, visible wood grain, edged handles, and handcrafted details can make a vintage cupboard feel more authentic. Create a crafted display. Choose a few meaningful or beautiful pieces rather than filling every shelf. Layer the shelf. Place larger plates or framed pieces at the back and smaller objects toward the front. Add vintage crockery. Floral plates, ceramic bowls, teacups, and old-style serving dishes look overly inside a glassed cupboard. Use fabric accents. A small lace runner or embroidered cloth can add a cozy traditional touch. Add And oven baskets. Baskets on lower shelves provide practical storage while maintaining a rustic vintage atmosphere. Try floral patterns. Vintage floral ceramics, fabrics, or wallpaper placed around the cupboard can enhance its nostalgic character. Use antique style labels. Small labels on storage boxes or jars can give the cupboard an old-fashioned pantry feel. Highlight craftsmanship. If the cupboard has curved details, moldings, or decorative legs, keep surrounding decor simple so these features stand out. Place it against a textured wall. Soft neutral paint, subtle wallpaper, or a slightly textured wall can complement the furniture. Add a small lamp nearby. Choose a simple traditional style lamp to create a cozy display area without relying on overly warm lighting. Use seasonal decorations carefully. Change a few display pieces for spring, autumn, or holidays while keeping the main arrangement consistent. Pair it with natural wood furniture. Wooden chairs, a farmhouse table, or a rustic bench can help create a cohesive look. Keep everyday items accessible. Store frequently used dishes or household items on the easiest to reach shelves. Don't overcrowd it. Leaving some empty space makes the cupboard look more elegant and allows individual pieces to stand out. Make it a focal point in a dining room or kitchen. Position the cupboard where its beautiful doors, hardware, and contents can naturally draw attention. Choose a statement cupboard. A beautifully curved or distressed cupboard can become the main focal point of the room. Try two-tone finishes. Combine a soft patterned exterior with natural wood shelves or a contrasting interior. Decorate the back panel for a glass door cupboard. Consider a subtle floral or botanical wallpaper on the back to add depth. Display collections. Group similar items such as teacups, ceramic pictures, old books, or pottery together. Use wooden crates inside. Small wooden boxes or crates can create additional levels and make storage more organized. Add vintage artwork nearby. A botanical print, landscape paintings, or antique style framed picture can complement the cupboard. Coordinate with your room's color. Pick accessories that repeat one or two colors already present in the room. Use ceramic knobs. Decorative ceramics or porcelain knobs can give a simple cupboard a charming cottage appearance. Add a small mirror. A vintage-style mirror placed above or beside the cupboard can make the area feel more interesting. Decorate with books. Stack a few books horizontally and place a small decorative objects on top. Use greenery. Small potted plants or simple greenery can soften the appearance of a wooden cupboard. Create a cottage pantry look in a kitchen. Display jars, mugs, bowls, wooden utensils, and oven baskets for a cozy country feel. Use linen storage in a bedroom. Store folded linens, blankets, towels, or baskets inside. Keep a consistent theme. If your home has an English country, farmhouse, cottage, or shabby chic style, choose accessories that support that theme. Mix textures. Combine wood, ceramic, glass, wicker, linen, and metal for a richer, vintage look. Give old furniture a new purpose. An old cupboard can become a coffee station, book cabinets, crockery cabinet, or entryway storage unit. Highlight the hardware, clean and maintain original handles and hinges. When possible, they can be one of the most charming details. Leave some breathing room. Empty portions of the shelves make the entire arrangement look more intentional and elegant. Avoid excessive matching. Vintage style looks more authentic when different pieces have slightly different shapes, structures, and finishes. Let imperfections show. Small scratches, variations in wood, and sign of age can add personality and make the cupboard feel genuinely vintage. Add a sculpted shelf edge. The small detail can give a cupboard a charming cottage character. Use patterned shelf liners. Choose subtle floral, gingham, or botanical patterns for an authentic vintage touch. Display vintage glassware. Clear or lightly tinted glass bottles, jars, and glasses can look beautiful behind glass doors. Arrange dishes by size. Put larger plates at the back and small bowls or cups in front for an organized display. Use an old-fashioned clock nearby. A traditional wall clock can complement the cupboard without overwhelming it. Add brush accents. Small brush frames, candle holders, or decorative objects can coordinate beautifully with vintage furniture. Create a tea station. Use the cupboard to organize teacups, saucers, a teapot, jars, and tea accessories. Start with embroidered linens. Folded linens, napkins, or embroidered tablecloths can add softness and nostalgia. Try botanical decorations. Pressed flowers, botanical prints, or small chart arrangements work especially well. Use mismatched ceramics. Different but complementary patterns can create a collected over time appearance. Add decorative feet. If you are renovating a cupboard, turn or barn style feet can give it a more traditional furniture appearance. Use the cupboard as a bookcase. Fill it with old style books, small artwork, baskets, and decorative objects. Create a dining room display. Store serving dishes, table linens, pictures, and special crockery inside. Add a vintage style runner on top. A narrow lace, linen, or embroidered runner can soften the top surface. Use baskets for hidden storage. Place baskets on lower shelves to hide smaller everyday items. Keep the overall look relaxed. Vintage decorating works best when the cupboard feels collected, useful, and lived in rather than perfectly staged. Thank you so much for watching this video.